Hi, so for my Technology Smackdown, I found a website called Storyjumper where students or teachers could use this and access it. It is free to use it unless you are purchasing a published book. So the students or the teacher could go in here and create their own book and about something maybe they're learning in class or something they have learned in class. They can design their own characters, add their own pictures, add their own words, and they could also add their voice reading the book. You can produce video books on here after you have created your regular book, and you can share them with your friends, family, or the class. And this is just an exciting way for students to be able to express what they have learned in class. And this would be a great way for them to show that they have learned something in class. Teachers could also make their own books and share them with the class, as well as there's a library here that you could go through here, and we could click on Friends and find books that are based on Friends. And if you click the book, you can go through and read it. So sharing is caring. And it has all the words, and somebody has created this book and has published it to this website. And if it is available, then the book can be read out loud to you instead of you reading it. So like this one has the option, My Heart and My Brain. And you just click on the page, and here it is.
My heart and my brain work together, play together, laugh together, sing, dance, sit, learn, eat together. But sometimes my heart is too fast for my brain.
So somebody created this book, and then they came back and reread it so that students who couldn't read could still have the option of reading this book. It's also a great way for students to practice their reading. So you just sign up for free, and the only time you have to pay is if you wanted to actually publish the book that you made. And that would be it. Other than that, it's totally free. It seems like a great way to incorporate this in the classroom, and I plan on using it in my future classroom.